Alright, what's on the run? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going to show you all how you can resell hypebeast brands fast to make over $1,000 a week. It's some methods I've used and they're very useful. Some of them are still current, and then some other ones that are more specific that I'm going to point out in this video that I think will be helpful, and I'm going to point them out. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm really going to try and get it straight into this. So if you guys want more how to resell videos, like how to resell Supreme and different things like that, go ahead and subscribe below. Also drop that like in this video so you can get 100 likes. And if you want, you can follow my Instagrams in the description too, Tristan.Wick, CLT Steals. I'd appreciate if y'all follow either of those because I'm about to be posting some more stuff in my reselling account and just posting on my personal. So go like that, go follow me, you know. And yeah, not too much more to say other than I hope you guys will enjoy this how to resell hypebeast brands video. Got some good tips, so let's get started. Alright, but the first method that I've seen a good amount of people start to use, and it's good because they've kind of been all over the place lately, would be revenge storms. Now, I know I've talked about revenge storms a few times on my channel. I've unboxed them, you know. This is my friend's pair, but like basically these things, if you join like the right group chats on Instagram, like Dropscop, that one, you know, at Dropscop, if you join like that group chat, you can get these legitimate pairs for way less. Like I'm talking like very low, and you can get them and then you can sell them for like upwards of 200. Like this pair right here goes for around 200. It's size 12. I'm gonna post it and try and sell it for him. So if anybody's interested, dead stock pair, never worn, hit me up, you know, size 12 3M Revenge Storm black. Basically these sell really nice, so you can get these for a lot lower, and then you can make like 70-80 bucks a pair, and that's pretty good. So if you get like 5 pairs, then do the math, like that's $350 to $400 profit off a few pairs of sneakers, and they almost always are selling. You can sell them to a local sneaker store. I got a sneaker store down the street, they love buying these. I always make profit on those, and yeah, it's a really good way to make some profit. So flipping revenge storms by just joining the right group chats on Instagram. I know there's a couple of them, but Dropshop is really good. I think they got the lowest prices. You know, sometimes the shipping stuff takes a while, but you know, that's just part of it. So maybe you can say, hey, hit me up for pre-orders or revenge storms, and then people can order pairs from you, and then you can get the pairs in like a month. That's how long shipping usually takes, is like a month from Dropscop, and then you'll get the pairs in and then you can ship them to them. So do like pre-orders. That'd be kind of a good idea to make some money, definitely per week too. You could definitely get a lot of profit, but you know, revenge storms, these little babies, they be selling, so don't sleep. These sell really well. You know, there's the bottom, there's all the designs on them. So although it may just look like a rip-off pair of Vans, it's actually quite valuable, and you can make a lot of money selling these. And y'all may be asking me where you can actually sell them. You can sell them on Instagram, Grailed. Like you can flip these almost anywhere, and like Goat, you can literally, you don't even have to sell them to someone. You can literally just flip the pairs to Goat. Like someone on Goat may say, hey, I need a pair. Like there'll be like bids on certain size pairs, and then you can just sell it for the lowest bid because you'll still make money on it, like probably like 50 bucks, 60 bucks a pair, just selling them to Goat. So you can sell these through Goat and make some really good money. That's a very easy method, and it's super profitable. So if you guys want to do that, just join Dropscop or join some group chat that has all that stuff, because you know, I got an authentic pair right here and people love buying these. They sell well, and yeah, you can literally just sell them straight to Goat. I know StockX got rid of revenge storms for some reason, but you can literally sell a pair of these straight to Goat and make some good money off them, or on someone on Instagram. It's very easy. Grail, there's 3 platforms you can sell these on. These are not hard to sell at all. You can get rid of them pretty fast. So definitely a recommendation to have. Flipping revenge storms, good way to make some profit going into the new decade, 2020. And you know, they cool. I mean, revenge storms are cool. You can't even lie. Like, it's a cool pair of shoes right here. I mean, yeah, it does look a lot like a Van, but they still are cool. So yeah, revenge storm method, first one I'm gonna drop. The next method I want to discuss, man, I don't know how many times I've talked about this one, and I hope that y'all use it, but Supreme still flips, and Supreme is the second method we got to discuss. I'm going to go into detail on reselling Supreme right now. So how a lot of people started out reselling Supreme, and how I started out reselling Supreme wasn't even from the drops. Like, I mean, I started out actually selling from the drops because I remember one week dropped, I got something, then I sold it and started reselling from there. But a lot of people just start reselling used Supreme stuff, and you can find cheap used Supreme stuff on Grailed. I've discussed this method so many times where basically, you know, there's a bunch of cheap Supreme tees on Grailed. You can go in and lowball. Don't do this a lot, but I mean, you can go in there and throw lower prices on some people for some of the tees that are really cheap. Like Set of Range, you can find a bunch of under $30 Supreme tees that you can sell for like $45, $50 if you fix them up, or Storm, or in general, like they still might be really good and valuable. And you can find some ones for really cheap off Grailed. So you just go buy them off these people and then sell them on Instagram for more, because literally things will sell for more on different platforms. It's that easy. Like people just don't go and look on Grailed. So you can find Supreme for cheap on Grailed, and you can actually then sell it on Instagram. Just make a reselling account. If y'all don't know what a reselling account is, I have my own reselling account right here, CLT Steals. Y'all know about that. And a reselling account basically is where you resell different things that you get, like different shoes, and you want to make some profit on it, so you sell those shoes. Like it could be a place where you sell the revenge storms, like a place where you sell stuff you're trying to make profit off, a reselling account. You're basically reselling goods you bought. That's really good what you can do with this tee. So basically the Grailed tee method, very simple. I mean, you literally just buy them off cheaper on Grailed and sell them for more on Instagram. You make a little profit on this one. You don't make a lot. You can make a good amount of profit if you do this one correctly. It just can take some time to actually like build it up, because I mean, if you get a lot of the tees, like if you get like 10 tees off Grailed and then sell them on Instagram, then you can make like a few $100, and that's pretty sick. But like if you just get like 2 tees, and you only may make like 20-30 bucks, so this one may not be super worth it if you're not buying a lot of tees, and that's pretty important. Now I also noticed I've been ignoring the Supreme drops lately, but the last 3 Supreme drops this season were super profitable. So make sure you're just getting the right Supreme bot or whatever that you can get, because I don't know why. Like Supreme always goes off at the end of the season with the resell and stuff. Like this stuff's really selling nice from the Supreme TNF Paper Nups collab. The last 2 box logos they dropped, the bandana tee and hoodie, like those are all selling. I got the bandana BOGO in there. Like all this stuff sells really, really well, and you just got to pay attention to it, I guess, on certain weeks. So just stay more aware for the Supreme drops. I'm gonna definitely be focusing more on Spring Summer 20 for Supreme. I'm gonna be trying to go over each week, because I know y'all like this concept videos, so I'm gonna try and do more of them. I just haven't really been focusing on that, because I didn't even notice how much it was selling. Like the box logos, I mean, there's a few $100 profit each one. Like that's just a one thing, a few $100 profit, and I wasn't even realizing like that. I mean, I didn't even think Supreme was reselling too heavy anymore, but I'm just not paying attention. So box logos selling nice, and you can definitely make some good profit and big money. And you know, just stay tuned for all that, because I'm gonna be going over the drops. I'm gonna try and find some bots that you guys can use that are free, some are cheaper, that'll actually help you secure this stuff. Like I promise, I'm gonna try and do that. So I'm looking out for a video like that soon. And another thing I want to discuss about Supreme is a lot of people start out reselling Supreme by just selling the stickers. It's the easiest thing. I mean, it's not even hard like that. Like you can just go get some Supreme stickers off Instagram. People sell them. Try and get them for the low, and then you can sell them to people at your school for like $5, $3, whatever. Then you can sell them to your friends or just anything. Like you can sell these for a lot more. Like if you get each, let's say you get each one for like $2 or $1.75, $1.50, however much it is, you can easily sell it and make like $1.50 each one or $2 each one. So if you have like 20 and you're making $2 each one, that's like a quick 40 bucks. So that's another thing that adds up there, where you can make $1,000 a week if you just kept reselling these Hypebeast brands. So 2 things I've already mentioned: Supreme method, the one on Grailed, and then I already discussed the Revenge Storm one. You know, I think that's a really good one. Revenge Storms are flipping right now. So 2 methods right there. Let's get into our 3rd and final one though. And next up, final thing I want to talk about, man, is the sneaker game. I ain't talked about sneakers and reselling sneakers in a while. I don't know why I haven't talked about reselling sneakers, because it's a really good thing still, and it's probably the thing that's most consistent, to be honest, rather than clothes. I mean, sneakers are kind of part of your outfit, they are clothes. But going into reselling sneakers, just pay attention to the drops. And I haven't even been paying attention to the drops, and I didn't even notice there's been a ton of stuff that resells. Like there's been a bunch of ones and breads dropping that have been really good to resell. And my recommendation is just pay attention to the sneakers app. So get the sneakers app so you can start entering and draw for upcoming drops and things like that. And start following some good reselling accounts, like some, or not reselling accounts, but ones that post about shoes that are going to be upcoming reselling. Like I recommend you follow Cop O'Clock. That's a really good account, excuse me, that posts about like the drops and things like that will resell, and I definitely recommend y'all give them a follow. They post about the drops and predicted resell, like Drops by Leo, a lot of different accounts that post about this kind of stuff, where you can get information on sneakers coming up that'll resell for a good amount of money. And also notice how the Travis Scott stuff always resells. His merch drops, just anything. Travis Scott stuff always resells. So if Travis is dropping a new shoe soon, you better put some money down for it, because it's gonna be a lot of money behind it. If he's dropping some cereal, it's gonna sell for a bit. The cereal resold for a bit. I made a lot of money on those when they were reselling. Those resold for a bit. I mean, the Highest in the Room merch, that even resold. That's off a single. Not even an album. That's a single. And it's still resold. Like that's crazy stuff right there. So the Travis stuff is always reselling. But my recommendation, again, just to keep it real, is just try and download some apps where you can stay up to date on the sneaker news for the upcoming year. And then obviously you can just resell your sneakers and start building the name on Instagram, sell them straight through StockX, or sell them straight through Grail. Again, you can sell them like almost anywhere. Goat too. Don't sleep on Goat too, because Goat's really good on helping you resell your sneakers if you have some pairs that you need to sell that are still on more than dead stock. So that's just my recommendation for the sneakers. I think it's a really simple one. Just stay up to date, download some good apps, and just focus on the upcoming drops. And then when you just got to get them, obviously you can get a bot for sneakers or whatever. Again, you can join this cook chats on Instagram. A lot of them are really good. Like I'm about to join this group chat that like backdoor sneakers and stuff. That's a really good one. I'm happy about that. Like I'm excited to join it, because I'm definitely trying to get some stuff backdoor. Definitely have some dope videos coming up with that. So I guess that's another method right there. there. Just for the sneakers, just stay tuned. The Jordans have been selling nicely. Yeezy has a ton of stuff coming up in 2020 for new colorways and 700 models, V3. Just stay tuned for all that. It's gonna be crazy with sneakers. I'll definitely do an updated sneakers video. Got some more Supreme Decade videos coming soon. Like a lot of stuff covering the best stuff this decade. I'll try and do in the next couple of days. But yeah, that's pretty much the few methods I have. Supreme t-shirt method on Grail. You know, flipping sneakers. I'll talk about that in a separate video, but I tried to address as much as it can so you guys can prepare for upcoming drops coming soon in 2020. And then the first method to discuss, obviously flipping the Revenge Storm. It's a lot of big money right there. I mean, it may not look like it, but this logo worth a lot. So definitely can make some money with Revenge Storms. And yeah, I'm Tristan. I don't have too much more to say other than let's roll that outro. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget, go follow me on my Instagrams in the description on either one. Tristan.Wick, COT Steals. I'd appreciate it if y'all followed me there. Don't forget also subscribe if y'all want more reselling videos like this in the future where I give advice. I can definitely go more in depth for sure. I can spend a lot more time. Trust me, I'll make an even better video on this. So subscribe if you want more like this. And also drop that like. I was trying to hit 100 likes on this video if you support this. You know, hopefully it helped you out. Hopefully you learned something new. Learn some shoes that you can flip. Learn some places you can make money. That's pretty much it. So wanted to drop this video, just discuss some things that you guys can make money off, and hopefully it was helpful. So that's pretty much it. I don't have too much more to say other than I'm Tristan. I love you all, and that's it. Peace.